Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
Next ayah. So in this ayah, Surah Al-Baqarah 2 and ayah 183, it says, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu kutiba alaykumus siyam kama kutiba alladhina min qablikum la'allakum tattaqun. O you who believe, fasting is written over you like what was written over those before you, that you may take guard. Further to 184 ayah says, Ayyamam ma'adudat. Ayyamam ma'adudat. Why I'm saying, I explained to this lunar system that Ayyamam ma'adudat means the numbers of the days are counted. So we count because every month is not 30 days or 29 days. So Allah has used the word ma'adudat, means the numbers are counted. It's not for fixed 30 months. Some people are saying it's wrong. No, I says 20. No. Ayyam ma'adudat means days numbered or counted. So you count. In the month of Ramadan, don't you? We count it is 29 or 30. So every time it's not 30 and every time it's not 29. So this is how. So Allah has used the word ayyam ma'adudat. You count the number of days, whether it's 29 or 30, you will come to know. And this lunar system is accurately going on. Whether it comes on Pakistan, this captain is sitting in my audience, he knows the fact that it will be there. You don't need to physically see it. Because by calculation, the movement of the sun and the moon is accurately moving its orbit. It is never late. It doesn't say, whenever it comes on our country, whether it's visible or not, it should be done. We, the experts, know, who knows the navigations, they can calculate and can say, you can't see it, but the moon is there. But it doesn't say, Allah says, you should sight the moon physically. The science, you see, people have made watches, they have made so many things. Now you don't require all these things. But still people are living in dark ages. They want to see it, and it was there at that time when you didn't have the invention. Now by calculation exact, by dot, navigator experts, the person who knows these things, they know because the moon is traveling at a constant speed in its orbit. And whenever the earth, the country of your country, it should be there. So it is not a confusion. This created by people. What they say, the jury is sitting and looking and citing, and we didn't cite it. So it doesn't say about citing at all. You know it. I say you. So you count these days.